Thanks for signing up for the Parti free trial. We're just going to give you 2 minutes to show you how you can get started with your first backup. So, step one is you want to download the Cloud Management Console. To do that, we're going to go to yaso.com/downloads. We're going to scroll down the page, come down to the section with the Cloud Management Console. Cloud Management Console is the tool that you use to oversee all of your customers, as well as all of their servers and workstations that you're protecting. Once you download the appropriate version, either Windows or OS X of the Cloud Management Console, you're going to be requested for your login credentials. Those will be provided to you through email, and you can simply enter them in. Press Save and Connect, and you'll be logged into the application. Once you're inside the application, you're going to see a pie graph with your current accounts. Now, the first time you log in, there won't be a lot of information there. You can change your view to look at the more detailed view. And from there, you'll see there's an initial account that's been set up. So on the left side is where you can add in all of your customers. So this is what we call the partner panel. So you right-click on yourself, click on Add End Customer, and you can simply enter them in however you choose. Once you've filled in some basic information for that first customer, you're going to see them showing up on the left-hand side. You can then click on that customer. You'll see that a default account is automatically created for you. In addition, you can create your own account just by right-clicking in the main panel on the right side, clicking Add Account, saying Customer 25 Server in this little example. And then you're going to take that account name and a system-generated password, and you're, at this point, ready to go and install the Backup Manager client. So taking that information, you can go back to the download page that we started with, and this time you're going to go to the download the Backup Manager. So you can either click on the big orange bar here on the downloads page, or you can look below under the Backup Manager section where you're going to see separate installs or downloads for Windows, OS X, and Linux, both 32-bit and 64-bit. So you can simply download the correct version of that, and at that point you're ready to do the install. Once you've downloaded the Backup Manager client, you're simply going to run the install. The first step is going to ask you for your account name and password. So once that comes up, you're going to fill in that information as well as a few other simple wizard type questions. So the first question is the language. Second question is your account name. After you fill in that information, it's going to check with who you are, and at the next step you're going to set up your security. So it's going to ask you for your encryption method, 128.256 or Blowfish. From there you're going to enter in your security code, and it's important that you always retain that because you'll be required to use that when you install or do restores to new hardware. You're going to set a simple backup schedule. You can choose if you want to filter out certain types of files. You can choose if you want to have dashboards sent to you relating to the previous day's backup session. That could be once a week, twice a week, every day, or never. And from there you log into the application. Once you're inside the application, you can simply choose the information that you want to be backing up, both for documents, anything on the C drive, system state, and if you're on a server, all the plugins are then available. You simply click on Start Backup, and your backup is underway. From this point, you could just set it and leave it, and you're ready to go. We appreciate you taking the time to learn about how to start your first backup, and there's much more information available. So we look forward to speaking with you and learning more about what you require to be successful.